In this video, I'm going to show you a strategy that authors use to help readers understand exactly what characters look like. In this book, Bloom by Doreen Cronin, the author and illustrator do give us a picture of the fairy that the book is about. However, the author also uses describing words to help us as the readers really imagine what she looks like. Let's take a look. On the first page of the story, the author writes, "Once upon a time, in a beautiful glass kingdom, there lived an unusual fairy named Bloom. Her boots were caked with mud. There was dirt between her teeth. Beetles rested in her wings." So right away, with these describing words and these little details like her boots being caked with mud or there being dirt between her teeth, the author helps us understand that this is no ordinary fairy. She's very dirty and even kind of yucky looking. So now what that does to me as the reader is, as I read, I'm getting this mental movie, this movie in my mind of what's happening in this story. And these little details help me picture what Bloom the fairy looks like. This is something that we can do as writers too. We can create descriptions, just like this author did, of what our characters look like, so that our readers can also picture them very well and really imagine what's going on in the story.